Yeah, don't fucking do it.
Why? Just do it up there.
No, because I want to fucking get it on video.
Get over this side, you thick fuck.
As long as you put a light on him, you'll be fine.
Yeah,
Leave
just
the light
hold
on.
on a sec.
Well, we're not going to lie to you if you get over it.
Just get the fucking on video.
Obviously, do it up there.
Alright, just hold on.
Fucking trolley, you have to bend over.
Oh, yeah.
Have me ass out here. I'm getting frostbite off the fucking ring.
Yeah, just wait.
It's taking forever. Come on.
Come on. Fast.
I've got a light.
Well, that's going to out your distance, is it? What is it?
Hold on. Your light.
What are you pissing?
You can't get through. You'll be on there.
I'm fucking shaking, God.
I'm firing the fucking rocket out here.
What do you want me to do? Fucking...
Put a light on him.
No good staying there.
I'll send you the video.
You can stay there with me. Over to rocket cat.
You ready?
Fucking hell.
Recording.
Yeah, hold on. Get off me. Stop fucking me.
Start recording.
Look,
No recording. Alright, go on, set it. Go on,
First firework.
Go on, set it.
First firework from out of
Go on, just fucking set it. Oh, I gotta be fucking What's that? He fucking knows it. He knows it. Nah, I'm fucking red as well. Oh, this is an asshole.